Okay, so the heart video, we will start with the ventral pericardium, the epicardium. Actually, I've already had this open, so that runs right along here. So we'll guide back together. So we'll go the apex of the heart and the base of the heart located here. And then the right and left atria. So the right atria and the left atria. The right atria receives deoxygenated blood, and the left atria receives oxygenated blood. Next we'll go to the ventricles. So the right ventricle and the left ventricle. So the right ventricle and the left ventricle. Let's see, and the interventricle solus. What are the main vessels there? So we have the left coronary artery and the great cardiac vein are located there, and that runs through here. Next we'll go to the pulmonary trunk, which carries deoxygenated blood to the heart and lungs. And so the pulmonary trunk, a little hard to see on this guy, but located right here. And then the aorta sends oxygenated blood to all parts of the body. And so aorta on this heart is located right here, the aorta. And then the aortic arch with the three main vessels, the brachiocephalic artery, and then the left common carotid and the right subclavian, those last two I couldn't locate on this heart, but the brachiocephalic trunk, I believe, is located here. It's on the aorta, and so we got one. So right on that part of the aorta. Let's see. So then we'll go to the superior vena cava, the inferior vena cava, and the coronary sinus. And those three veins carry deoxygenated blood to the heart's right atrium. So the superior vena cava would be located here, superior vena cava, and then the inferior vena cava would be coming off of the apex of the heart, but it's not included in this heart. Okay, so section 2, we will go to the internal structures of the heart, and oops, lost my heart. Okay, so we'll work with just this one piece here, this one side. Okay, so let's see. We are going to start with the pectinate muscles, and we are going to look at the pectinate muscles in the inner wall of the right atrium. So the pectinate muscles located in, no, that's the left. So it would be on this little guy. Here in the right atrium, located right in there. And then what's next? The myocardium at the right and left ventricles. So the myocardium being here, at the right and left ventricles. So the right ventricle here, the myocardium, and then over here the left ventricle, the myocardium. And the left ventricle is much bigger because the left side of the heart pumps blood to the whole entire body. Okay. Now, all right, going to the I'm going to lose points on this one because I can't say it. Trabeculae carneae, which is located in this. We'll take a look at this in the right ventricle. So located inside here. And then moving to the interventricle ventricle septum. So the interventricle septum running here. The bicuspid valve located here. And the tricuspid valve here. Let's see, the next one is the chordae tendineae, which located in here. Let's see, the papillary muscle. The papillary muscle, a little bit hard to see, but back down right in here, papillary muscles. The pulmonary the pulmonary valve. So let's see if I can find the pulmonary valve on this little guy. Coming from here down, the pulmonary valve there. And then the aortic valve. And let's see if I can find the aortic. Oh, this is the aortic valve. This is the pulmonary valve. And that's it.